Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am going to show you how to remove background from any picture you want. This one very easy and simple to use. It's just one click and then your background will 100% remove. It's very simple and easy to use. So some people using for the removing background, lot of things to use, and then use Adobe Photoshop or different kind of software to remove the background. This one not going to take your time, just one click, then 100% remove your background and fully HD quality. So here we go. First of all, we open the Google Chrome, then go to the search bar, type the background remover, I will put the link in description so easy for you to find this software, because if you find lot of software here, then you can see here lot of things the same name. So after you confusing where this software, so I will put the link in description, easy for you. So here we open. This one very easy and simple to use, and then you can remove the background, you can change the background, you can make the blur your background, you can different kind of effects you can get here in this software. So you can sign up here for the more high quality images. If you want make fully ultra HD or 4K images, you need to sign up here. Then you make your ID. If you don't want, you can simply free, you can use this one without sign up. So here we go. We open any image and then try to remove the background. Okay, so we take this boy first. Okay, see, you can see here the fully background remove ready. This one is original, this one is background remove. You can see the difference. Fully without just one click, then your background will fully removed 100%. Now I show you how to some effects more you can do here. If something here missing or whatever, you can erase by clicking this one. You can brush size, you can make it big, you can make it small, you can see. If I want something, delete here, remove here more, so you can see here the eraser. It's very simple and easy. Okay, just I'm showing you the demo, so I just undo. Okay. So you can see here the blur your background, the original background. If you don't want to erase the background, you can blur. See, the whole background become blur. Then you can change here auto background, different kind of background in your pictures. just selecting the background. This one auto background you can select. It's very easy to use, then not taking your time. So here is, I just download this one. Okay. Download the image. As you can see here in the gallery. Just by one click, your background 100% remove. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel to support me, and then comment below any question. Okay, here you can see how is the backgrounds before. You can see I changed the background. If fully remove also showed you. See, I changed the background. Fully same like original. Okay, let's try another images. Okay, we remove this car. See, this one is original, this one is removed background. Just download. Make thumbnail or whatever. Before this video I make already the video about the thumbnail, how to make HD thumbnail, so you can see in my channel. It's very simple and easy to do. Same like this object, we remove the background. See, it's totally removed. Hope you like this video. Then it's good for you to make your thumbnail more attractive to attract the people, so people will click your channel. See, hope you like. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and then like and comment and share with friends. Thank you so much.